Incorrect vehicle fluid levels can cause breakdowns or even serious damage. For proper car care between auto service visits, follow these simple fluid checks to monitor your car so you can get where you're going. Park on level ground when checking vehicle fluid levels. See owner's manual for appropriate fluids. Engine oil lubricates moving parts and also cools and cleans internal engine parts. Insufficient oil can cause major engine damage. To check the oil level, with the engine cold and not running, raise the hood and pull the oil dipstick out of its tube. Wipe the dipstick clean with a cloth and insert it fully back into its tube. Remove the dipstick and check that the oil level is between the upper and lower level markings. If the level is at or below the lower mark, add oil to raise the level to the upper mark. On most cars, 1 quart of oil will raise the level from the lower to the upper mark. Do not overfill. Engine coolant prevents engine freeze-up in winter, raises the boiling point of coolant in the summer, and protects against rust and corrosion year-round. To check engine coolant, with the engine cold and not running, locate the reservoir for the coolant recovery system. This is usually a translucent plastic container mounted near the radiator or on one of the inner fender panels. The reservoir will have upper, hot, and lower, cold, level markings molded into it. If the fluid level is below the lower mark, add coolant up to that point, but not any higher. Good auto service means maintaining the amount of brake fluid at a safe level. Brake fluid transmits the force that brings your car to a safe, sure stop. It also lubricates and protects the brake hydraulic components. To check the brake fluid, raise the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir, usually located atop the master cylinder at the rear of the engine compartment on the driver's side. Most cars use a translucent plastic reservoir with upper and lower level markings molded into it. If the fluid level is between the two marks, no action is necessary. If the level is near, at, or below the lower mark, have an auto repair shop inspect the brake system for wear or leaks as soon as possible. All modern cars have translucent plastic washer fluid reservoirs. If the fluid level is low, remove the cap and fill the reservoir to the top. Use a bug-removing washer fluid in summer and a solution with antifreeze properties in winter if you live where temperatures drop below freezing. Thanks for watching. Stop into Menards for what you need for your automotive project. Check out these additional videos and links to learn more. Thank you for shopping at Menards.